we have dividing line segments, we have the coordinate grid, and it gives you point A, and it gives you point C. Point A in this scenario is actually 2 comma -5, and point C is 5 comma 7. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right, so we have 5 comma 7. It says find the coordinates of point B, finding B, such that AB is 1/3 of AC. So this is dividing. So I need you guys to think about this. When I do this type of problem, I actually like drawing the segment out. It doesn't have to be on the coordinate grid. I'll go ahead and write the coordinate here. This is A, this is C, this is 5 comma 7, this is 2 comma -5. I'm sorry?
It's the other way around. A is 2, -5, and then C is...
Yeah, you're right, I'm sorry. Okay.
You could.
A is 2 comma -5, and C is 5 comma 7. Thank you for correcting me. So we're trying to find a point somewhere around here. All right. I'm going to give the point, just, it doesn't matter where on the line. Let's call this B. All right. The question says is AB is 1/3 of AC. So this part right here represents 1/3. So this part right here must represent what?
2/3.
2/3. So now that we have this understanding, the total will be represented by 3/3. 3/3. So to find point B, all right, to find point B, we have this formula. I'll write it this way, which is B of x is equal to x1 plus k times x2 minus x1.
What's K?
Very good. K is actually the ratio, which the ratio is going to be AB over AC. So AB is represented by 1 over AC, which is represented by 3. Okay? So the ratio here will be 1/3. Sometimes what they do, they'll give you the ratio of AB and they'll give you the ratio of BC, but they won't give you the total distance. Okay? So you have to figure that out. So the next one is BY, which is point B, which is, we're doing the Y coordinate now. It's the same concept as Y1 plus K times Y2 minus Y1. So we're going to go ahead and find this out. Now this is important to understand. When you look at x1 and x2, remember when you're doing the slope formula, it doesn't really matter which one is x1 or y1, right? In this case it does. In this case, if we're going in this direction, all right, if we're going in this direction, this would be your x1, y1, this would be your x2, y2. If we're going in this direction, going this way instead, this will be your x1, y1, and this will be your x2, y2. So that's the only thing you have to focus on, worried about. So in this case, x1 is just 2 plus 1/3, x2, which is 5, 5 minus 2. So this will be 2 plus 1/3, 5 minus 2 is 3, cancels out, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is your x coordinate. We do the b now. For the y, this will be equals to -5 plus 1/3 times y2, which is 7, minus your y1, which is -5. That is equal to -5 plus 1/3 times, what's 7 plus 5? 12 is equal to -5 plus, this cancels out, this is just 4 plus 4, this is going to be -1. So your coordinate for B coordinate is actually going to be 3, comma, -1. And that's how you find when you divide the line segment by a given ratio. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do another one though.